Hey, what's up everybody? This is Max with Triada Custom Engraving. And this is my first video, and yeah, I'm excited to start this journey and share all the things that I've learned in the past year when I started engraving. Um, what I want to do in this channel is basically show you guys what tools I use, what burrs, bits, and all those kind of things. Just to show you what I experience and what I've learned. Also, what I want to do with this channel is grow from you guys. I want to, see what you guys want to learn about and what would you like to improve on. And I would love to make videos about, what you want to learn. As far as what I want to do in the future, maybe do some unboxing videos of tools and different burrs in different applications. Such things like this cup right here that I recently done. This is all done with the tungsten carbide. Definitely love the way this is coming out. In the future, I definitely want to start using more of the carbide burrs, and even though I started with using diamond burrs are, definitely awesome to use on like Yeti cups and stainless steel cups, but only in certain situations you'll want to use like a tungsten carbide. So as far as the why I started this channel, really appreciate the support that I've been getting from Instagram and Facebook. Matt Cornelius, you man, I appreciate you. That's honestly one of the reasons why I started this channel, is because Matt reached out and was like, hey man, you should definitely start one. So here I am. Everybody else on Instagram and Facebook, really appreciate your support, and that's why I'm here. But yeah, this is my first video. This is my garage. If you don't know, I'm in the active duty Coast Guard, and I've just moved from Washington State, and now I live in Virginia. So it's been definitely a crazy summer for me. So lots of moving and thinking what I'm gonna do next. But now that I'm settled down, I want to start something new, and this is it. So if you guys like the video and want to see more, just let me know in the comments what you think and what you want to see next. If you are not following me on Instagram, please do so. It's Triada Custom Engraving, as well as Facebook. Check it out. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.